235 Ryan Drive,
What kind of plastic?
July 8th. Camera inspection of the sewer lateral, about 35 feet downstream from the house trap in the driveway. We're hitting some roots and debris in the line. We're going to pull back from this point closer to 30 feet downstream, actually. I'm going to pull back to the house trap.